right, hello and welcome to... I'm still working on this shit. Now, if you guys would make me rich, I wouldn't have to work so hard. There you go. Okay, so today I put this shelf in. Of course, Lynn's here after I get it done.
Awesome. Oh, I love...
Okay.
You used a tree burl thing?
I had this forever. It was in my stuff. I still have to get all the loose shit off
Yeah,
of it.
yeah.
But I already peeled it. I just have to get the rest of the loose shit. I put in a brace here against the back wall.
Right, I see that.
All the way down. This is cut into the sidewalk all the way here. I took old boards, if you can pick it up. This board was off of, I don't know what.
Oh my God.
I don't know how long I've had it. And then I just put another board. I made it the right width for the thing. I drilled a hole for the plug-in to go through. It does not go there. I've got it there because it'll catch less dust there. It'll come out here so you can actually reach
the buttons.
And then you'll have a place to store spices, oil, shit you cook with there.
Right. So when you finish sawing and everything, yeah.
It'll go back down.
I love the chain.
That is...
Who carved that?
Okay, so... No, yes, of course I do.
Because I don't.
It actually, on the underneath side, it says unfinished projects. I actually named it. Okay, when Arnold and Betty Feller created the theater group that we belong to, okay, Arnold Feller was the driving force in that theater group. And he would... in between scenes, when he was doing a play, in between his parts, he would sit and carve chains, pieces of chain. Okay, this was the last one he worked on when we had to clean out when some rich bitch threw us out of our fucking theater. Yeah. She wasn't going to. She said, "Oh, if you sell me it, I'll let you use the theater." So she talked Betty and Arnold into selling it to her, and then immediately threw us out of the theater.
Right.
Okay, so when she did that, we had to move all our props and everything else. When we were doing that, I found this piece of chain. Or actually, I think Marky found it.
Yes.
And gave it to me. To use. But he said, "Go find some use for this. This is the last one he did. It's not finished."
Yeah.
Well, when he died, not even 11 months later, it had that much more significance because it's never going to get finished now because he died and there were so many projects he had on the burner.
Right.
But at any rate, so this one is not loose. This one is. This one is actually cut loose and it flopped around. But this one is still connected here. So I wanted to give it a special place.
Oh, that is
And I've been keeping it for years, and that's a special
I remember.
place.
You tell the story, and I remember exactly. Yeah.
That's where it came from. But, so that's one of the things I did. So another thing I did
He would so love this place.
I know he would. He would just... He loved this place before
there was
a tree.
Yes.
So one of the things I'm doing is, I'm going over this, where the nailers are, because you can see this is kind of hobbled together, and that's fine, but you can see when I put these boards in, it kind of hides the fact
and it dresses it up.
And it dresses it up.
Yeah.
So I'm doing that. Okay, these were the spikes that Meyer had in a log that you use as a ladder. You can put them on in trees to go up to deer stands and shit.
Right.
Okay, so I had a whole bunch of them, and I asked him if he wanted them back when I took them out because I didn't need them. Okay. And he said he didn't need them, so I've hung them up here. What are they for? This is the closet for the treehouse.
Yes.
You could put a hanger on there.
Right.
Whatever. Okay. So that's one of the things I did today. Because what's happening is I'm getting ready to finish this treehouse, which means there's 4 billion little things, and I'm just ticking them off one at a time.
Right.
I put 2 more in here.
Oh, how awesome for coats and things and hats and whatever.
Well, and if you're staying in here, that's your closet.
That's right.
Okay. So, and I took this loose, and I put the wire from the lamp behind it, and then I put in an insulated staple just to make sure. Because if you watch me do this, you know there's no pulling that out of there.
Right, but now there's no rattling on it, no nothing.
Now there's no taking any chances. It's all tied up. So that's the kind of shit I've been doing today. Wow. And Lynn's mad at me because I still didn't get this cabinet
I'm not mad at you at all.
But in order to get this cabinet done, door done, I have to go saw more boards.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. We'll just
But
put it on
that
here.
is my next project after I fill in these holes down here.
I love this. She's capping these.
I'm going to cap those. I put some filler boards in there and then I'm going to cap it. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'll just turn off for now and come back when you're
Did
capping.
I cut one yet? I don't know. I might have cut one yet. Yeah, I already cut one.
Oh, okay.
I think. I don't know. Maybe I already cut.
You
Where
were
the hell
measuring.
did they go?
You were measuring. You had a long board.
I don't know if that's one that I did or not. I don't know. We're about to find out. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to stick it in there. And then when I fucking staple it down,
Talk about tight.
it'll keep dirt and shit out of that fucking crack. Otherwise, that was going to be a goddamn, just a place to catch dirt.
Yep.
And now it's not. And it looks better.
Looks a lot better. Yeah.
Okay, so
Nice.
that's what we're doing.
Nice.
That's
nice,
what I'm
nice.
doing right now. I'm filling in those little holes.
Awesome.
And I'm going to finish this door today.
Then I'll come back for that.
You know, so my wife will quit bitching about the door. When are you going to finish the door? I don't fucking know. I got to cut a bunch of lumber. I got to cut boards first. No, that's not there. Maybe there? Yeah, it goes down there. Well, it's too tight for there. Ah, damn it. That one's too long. Oh. At any rate, so that's what we're doing.
So, I'll show you when it's done.